Just let me find
vaunted justice has Shall I lay down Frostborn and throw myself at your mercy, Fordring?
We'll grant you a swift death, Arthas.
And can the warriors not
More
start
than
with
can be
summons?
said
That
for the
would be really
thousands
fucking
you've
nice.
tortured and slain.
You mean right now, Shadow Fury? I have 39k armor, so with potions I
First hand,
44,
when my
45k.
work is
Yeah,
complete,
45k.
Okay, I have like
armor.
41. Like I have 41 normally.
mercy.
If I use my armor pieces, I go like 44. Is it very good or bad?
That's good, man.
Anguished
But should I be using armor
will be
pieces?
testament
Like 41 is fine.
unbridled power.
Anything above 35k is fine.
So be it.
I think 35k is good.
Champions, attack!
Then you use the armor pots and
I'll
use 30.
keep you alive to witness the end, Fordring.
Battle.
I would not want the light's greatest champion to miss seeing this wretched world remade.
Well, I think Lich King hits like really less than nowadays.
Not really.
Range move.
Range.
Range
Can we
move.
have Demon Showdown boss as well?
I'm holding 40k. Hello?
Audi.
Hello.
Millie's move. Millie's careful again. Dispel the sampling. It's on the off tank. No dispel on the sampling. Nice, man.
Range adjust.
Careful, yeah. Millie's adjust as well. There is a trap in between. Millie's adjust, range adjust. Come on. Necrotic now. It's on me again. Bad at this. Come
Bad
back
at this.
Okay, go. Go back. Go back. Bad at this. Go back.
Range
There is a
con.
trap. Yeah, careful. Guys, there is a trap. Careful, yeah. Don't step on the chair.
Next shambling is gonna be in 3 seconds.
Range
Range.
move. Sampling
Next
is exactly
shambling.
on me. Nice.
Priest move, bro.
What move, man? I'm gonna
Not,
move now.
not you, the priest, bro.
Shadow trap.
Range.
Why no?
Range. Shaman.
Go back. Careful
Go
of
ahead,
trap. Why no? There is a trap.
It's
Careful.
right behind Lich King, careful.
Heal that infest.
Come on. 1 more percent. Let's go. Get up. Pull your pets back. Hunters DKs.
I will freeze you from within until all that remains is an icy husk.
Should die now. Don't do that shit, man.
Human mana died.
Why? Totem. Do not.
MD tots. MD
Mana
tots.
died.
Shaman, mana tight. Why not?
On the next spirit mages you can swap to the spirit, okay?
Stack properly as well. One guy is marked. Pommel is marked.
Yep.
When you stack, try to turn your back towards the point arrows. You see those arrows on the ground, yeah?
Yeah.
That's it. I backpedal a bit. It's gonna silence. Watch aggro.
As the
Gonna
world
salvation break. Mage is using his.
collapses.
What the fuck, bro? Salvation done. Shadowra mastery now. Okay.
Come to the square.
Move. My ardent already proc. Nice.
There is no shadow master.
Your master calls.
Reversing a target stance.
Range on the diamond.
Range diamond. Defile now, defile. I'm gonna use the. Pray. Melee full power, come on. Release
Yeah,
the.
don't take
Release
Lich
the
King in 3, 2,
Bloodlust.
1. Taking Lich King now.
Shadow Fury has the Lich King. Change your beacons. That's it. Stack properly.
Come
Take
to the
it a
square.
little bit to the middle.
Come to the square, come to the square, come to the square.
Stack. On the square. You wanna wipe? Stack. Rest it with.
Your
Stack, man. Rest it.
master calls.
Do your stuns, get out.
Defile now, defile. Oh, it's on me. Fuck me, bad defile, bro.
Oh,
step
around,
on
around,
it,
around.
guys. That's fine. Just get out from the defile. I'm gonna. I did
No.
the holy red. GG. Okay, done. Move the Lich King to the middle. Soul Reaper in 3. Need sack?
No, no, I'm fine.
Come to
Okay.
the square. Come to the square, please.
Come to the square, guys. Square, square. Defile to the right, yeah? Defile on, defile on.
File on.
Same.
Baby fox.
Holy Paladin grabbed on the circle. No, I'm on.
Which
Raise the
one?
circle. Raise the circle.
I'm on. Never mind. I'm on diamond. Just kill them all. It's fine.
Raise the diamond. Raise the diamond. I'm gonna sack you soon, yeah? On this Reaper. Saraviri.
More damage on the green.
Valkyrs. Come on, Valkyrs. Valkyrs.
Stun the diamond.
Okay, nice. Move to
Push
the
the
middle.
Lich King, come on.
Defile left and right, not behind the list. Defile left and right, left and right, left and right, left and right, left and Paroxy, Niala. Nitro. Man. Stack, stack, stack.
Just come to the
Stack.
others.
It's fine. No, no, no. Don't go behind the Lich King, man. Don't go behind the Lich King. Are you fucking
Fine,
serious?
we can kill. We can just chill.
Sack me on this Reaper, Sampam. Sack me now.
Single target stuns. Come on, slow, slow.
Move Lich King, bro, come on.
5% on
Yeah, I'm
this.
gonna use the first Holy
Yeah,
Rat, yeah?
Valkyries.
First Holy Rat done. Valkyries, guys. AoE. Second Holy Rat. Second Holy Rat. Come on. Anybody Holy Rat.
Defile.
Release the triangle. Release the triangle. Release the triangle. He's there. Push the Lich King. Bring him.
Keep it at edge.
Keep it here. Keep it
4%.
here. It's fine. Keep it here. Just keep it here. Just keep it here. So that the Valkyries don't go. Keep it here, man. Stun the Valkyries, yeah? Stun the Valkyries. Push the Lich King. Stun the Valkyries. It's fine. It's fine. I have a D-sack, man.
Just push the boss.
Yeah, it's fine.
I will freeze you from within
Who's
until
the right
all
hand?
that remains
Let's go out.
is an icy
D-sack out.
heart.
Raising on me. Empty dots. First time. 1-3. Fano is dead.
That's back.
Nature rest Fano. Nature rest Fano. Nice. Give him
Orbs
your
Orbs coming.
bait as well.
Orbs coming.
Orbs,
Spear
man.
coming.
Somebody kill those spears. Spears, man. Melee spread out. Melee spread out. Too many stacks. Down the raging. It's a Tauren. Careful. It's a Tauren. He's gonna silence. Great.
Mage is on spirits.
See this fucking Tauren? Guys, max melee range. It's a Tauren, man.
Spirit in the back. Mages go on spirits, please. Everybody on spirits. Come on, come on. More DPS, more DPS, more DPS. Taunt spirit, taunt spirit.
I did, man. I'm gonna take the last raging, yeah? I'm gonna take it. Just
Watch as
Okay.
the world around
it's fine. I just down.
collapses.
Kill that old raging, guys, and down the list. Down the list.
This one needs
Oh
to, it's
shit!
gonna
I
die,
downed
okay?
the
It's fine, it's fine, it's gonna die.
Just follow the square inside, okay?
You
Do you have deep rod?
to bring Arthas to justice.
Okay, you tank this
To see
thing.
the Lich King destroyed.
I think the raging is on me as well.
First, you must escape
I'll get the
Frostmourne's hold.
Yeah.
Or be damned as I am, trapped within this cursed blade for all eternity.
Purple blue bobs.
I'm gonna bubble and bomb Sampam, Kiss bomb the Bob Shaman, and I'll drain Bob.
Stay here for a while. Let those bombs explode.
Right, one.
Okay, let's go.
When we go out, priest do the hymn for mana.
Get up. Spirit.
Defile, defile.
I'm doing him.
With no
Do totem.
Get out.
Kill the
Kill the
spirit.
raging, guys. Kill the raging. Why are you tunneling the Lich King? Are you serious, man? Fucking idiots.
Mana tide, please, shaman.
Kill that raging first now. Sarafiri,
dying,
you have to
it's
Johnny, you can soak, right?
I don't have cooldown. Sarafiri is the tank. I will just soak these spirits.
Run away, little girl! Run away!
Defile?
Defile, defile. Move out, move out. Ah, this guy. Nice defiles.
They're fucking dog shit.
I mean, I put a fucking bad defile as well, but third defile was kind of okay, I guess. I don't have fucking nitro. City fucking followed me. I don't know why this Sabaku doesn't even put nitro.
I can help you,
You have come to bring
soak
Arthas
the
to
next one.
justice. To see the Lich King
Just move,
destroyed.
guys, move. That bomb is gonna kill you. Move,
Circle,
move faster.
First, you must escape Frostmourne's hold, or be damned as I am, trapped within this cursed blade for all eternity.
No laggers today. No. Somebody is lagging. I see that somebody is behind.
No,
Okay,
it's
move
me
a
just
lot of this. Move a
killing
lot
spirits
of
at the other side.
Okay, going out now. I will sack you, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, hand sack up on Shadow Fury. Spread for defile. Defile. Okay. Get to this side. Don't die, guys. Don't die, boys. Don't die. And Eldrin is dead somehow. Joker, rest Eldrin. Joker. Joker, nice. Eldrin, come here. Eldrin, first priority. Get behind the Lich King. Don't die. Defile.
Defile into. Max melee, please. Survive this chamber and we just kill him. Please.
Nice DP, Nyala.
You have come to bring Arthas to justice. To see the Lich King destroyed.
I don't think so. You wanna do others?
First, you
What's
must
the time?
escape Frostmourne's hold, or be
Oh, yeah, but what's
damned
the
as
time?
I am,
Aren't we
trapped
here for
within
like
this
more than 3
cursed
hours?
blade for all eternity.
It's like 2.5 hours since we pulled my ogre.
No man, it's more like it's 3 left.
Because of this fucking Discord shit. Move. Just move. Come with me. Don't die. Stay here. Defile, spread out. Move to the other side. Nice.
Just push the Lich King here. Spirits are coming. Any royal scepter in the chat?
GG.
No questions remain unanswered. No doubts linger. You are Azeroth's greatest champions. You overcame
What?
every
I'll give you 5
challenge
tokens
I
if you
laid
do it.
before you. My mightiest servants have fallen before your relentless onslaught. Your unbridled fury. Is it truly righteousness that drives you? I wonder.
Do you have ID for RS or you
You
killed it?
trained them well,
Yeah, right, yeah.
Fordring. You delivered the greatest fighting force this world has ever known. Right into my hands. Exactly as I intended. You shall be rewarded for your unwitting sacrifice. Watch now, as I raise them from the dead to become masters of the Scourge.
Cancel
They
them.
will shroud
Let's
this
see, cancel
world
them.
in chaos and destruction. Azeroth's fall
Wait, cancelled
will
the
come at
Frost?
their hands,
Yes.
and you will
I mean,
be the
it's not gonna
first
drop,
to
so like,
die.
why are you hoping?
I delight in the irony.
Light, grant me one final blessing. Give me the strength to shatter these bonds. No more, Arthas! No more lives will be consumed by your hatred!
Free, at last. It is over, my son. This is the moment of reckoning. Rise up, champions of the light!
How timed was that?
Now I stand.
Yeah, that was.
The lion
Yeah, yeah.
before the lands, and they do not fear.
2009.
They cannot fear.
And no havoc.
Oh my god, my royal scepter dropped! Just kidding, it won't.
Just kidding. What is a crossbow?
Just kidding. It's a crossbow!
I need to stop.
It's a crossbow!
Boys.
Did you give the pick? Or did you?
I think it's time for you to donate like and stuff.
Time for donation, boys.
Oh my god.
Actually, you're all fucking hunter loot, holy fuck.